Apisas magdul makedo kod mibadhi EACC omonjo kendo go Pixen dala mar Governor ma Trans Nzoia George Natembeya. Wach mati arietha kod omenda jopiny maliye kod romo shillings bilion 1.4. Dulno timo nonro e mibadhi magiwacho ne osetimore kindi komenda mar 2022 kod 2023 kod 3, 2024 kod 2025 kod 5 kamoting'o tiyo marach gi apisi chiwo asoya e kind ketho mamoko. Okil mare Ndegwa Njiru wacho ni gisani ogeng'ne paro bila mar okwach kich kapod okomigi thuolo mar twak kode ka gidadhoge.
But unfortunately, we are not allowed by the EACC officers to access our client. When we ask them why we are not able to access the client, they are saying that the director in charge of investigation is yet to decide whether or not the client, he was arrested. He was arrested. They arrested him this morning. They never issued any summons to that effect.
Kweth mag jotelo ma kwedo piny owacho kamotelo mano ma DAP Eugene Wamalwa kwedo okang' makamano ka gilero ni piny owacho tiyo kod yo mar bwogo jogo mosewuok kelela mar kwedo chenro mage.
Wamefanya raid asubuhi ya leo, lakini leo tumekuwa hapa na mawakili na viongozi MCAs wote na ile search imeonyesha ya kwamba hakuna chochote kimepatikana kwa gavana. Walikuwa wanatafuta pesa, hakuna pesa imepatikana. Eti gavana sijui ameiba pesa iko chini ya kitanda, hakuna pesa chini ya kitanda. Na leo tunasema hii kwa Bwana Zakayo, Bwana Kafongo, ya kwamba wewe usipende wewe ni wanto.
EACC yango ni gitimo nonro ewi chenro mag dongruok adek madongo e kaunti no kamoting'o Kongo kar thieth ma Kenyatta Stadium, Kongo kar thieth mano ma Tom Mboya loso kar tugo ma Kenyatta Stadium tielo mokwongo kaachiel kod gero apisi mar county mong'ere kaka county headquarters offices ka MCAs ma Trans Nzoia bende ogolo pachgi ewi meko mare.
Hii sheria gani hii ya kuja kuharas watu mpaka kwa boma watoto yao bibi yao? They did not vote for the people of Trans Nzoia did not vote for the children of life. They vote for children. Can you look for children? And you have the mechanism. You have the machinery to look for him. Why do you come and frustrate and harass children, even in the arrest? Why do you come to someone's residence and muna cause havoc, muna cause intimidate watoto, you scare the children, you don't have peace? Even these children have a right to be in this country. It's a big shame. Whoever sent these askaris from here.